Hey, this is Carlos here. I want to discuss something with you today because I got a friend that called me, hey, Carlos, there is something that happened on my team today, that this week, that still today we don't have the feature that we planned to get out today. And I say, hey, what happened? Tell me. He told me that he started discussing from the beginning of the week what were the best strategy to organize your code base, because they're starting to include some changes that impact consistently the design and the architecture of the system they are building. And they started discussing the difference between trunk based organization on the code base or feature base. Okay, so and I say, hey man, I think you spent the whole day or the whole week trying to find the best way to organize your code base. And I'm going to tell you what is the mental model that I use to decide this. What is the best strategy that will make you ship faster? That's the only single goal that I have when I organize the code. Depending on the team structure, depending on your system, what is the best way, the best strategy that you can organize your code and make your team faster. If trunk base is the way you and your team will deploy more and faster, then use that one. But it's a feature base, then use that one. But don't stop to decide, because I also have another mental model that I like to use for this type of situations. This is a decision that can be changing in the future. And when you face these type of decisions that can be changed in the future, and the impact is not that much. To be honest, for me, the impact of changing the organization and the structure of your codes is not that big as changing a lot of module or changing the architecture, for example. It's the same example when you see teams spending weeks just to find the name or the module they want to use, or the name of the repository they want to use. Hey, go there, stay consistent, find some templates, or define some template first for name convention, and go use it. But if you are not agree with them in the future, you can change it. Okay, and the impact of change is not that much. So that's what I think. Your main focus on your team is try to your team go smooth on the main goal. The main goal in any development team, on my opinion, is to ship faster and better. And the strategy you use to allow you to ship faster and deploy consistently. Okay? So don't be stopped by this type of unnecessary decisions. So what should I do? What you should do is you have the same problem. So get a team, define maybe a 30 minutes. I used to have 15 minutes meeting, but for this type of decision, maybe you need 50 more. So take 15 minutes to plan and to say the situation, to say to every a part of the team the situation, and stay consistent with the results. And after that, you say, okay, this is what we're going to do. If this is not the way, we're going to test it for a few weeks. If this doesn't make you faster and we are not feeling more productive, we can change it and we can try another strategy. Okay? So see you around. This is Carlos here, sharing a lot of content about software engineering, entrepreneurship, and take care. Bye.